The Hot Wheels City Ultimate Gator Garage playset is one of the biggest and most exciting centerpieces in the entire Hot Wheels City lineup, and it earns that status the moment kids start playing with it. This towering multi-level garage gives kids a huge vertical space to explore, complete with ramps, parking decks, and a smooth-working elevator that lifts cars all the way to the top before sending them racing back down. The signature feature is the massive gator waiting at the bottom, and that single element adds a ton of suspense and repeatable fun. Kids love launching their cars down the ramp and trying to escape before the gator snaps shut. And that simple challenge becomes something they repeat over and over because the timing always feels a little different. The elevator is sturdy, the track alignment stays consistent, and the entire structure feels solid once assembled, which parents appreciate given the height and size of the playset. The bright colors and city-themed details fit perfectly with the rest of the Hot Wheels City world, and the multiple parking levels give kids a place to store their cars while also encouraging more pretend play. One of the biggest strengths of the Ultimate Gator Garage is how easily it connects to other Hot Wheels City sets. The track ports line up cleanly, so you can expand outward into loops, launchers, and other themed play sets without fighting the pieces or forcing anything to fit. Buyers consistently mention that this set becomes the main hub of their child's Hot Wheels world because it offers both vertical play and a dramatic action moment at the bottom. The Gator itself is durable. The snapping jaw holds up well to repeated use, and the whole design encourages kids to build stories around rescues, escapes, and big showdowns. Overall, the Hot Wheels City Ultimate Gator Garage playset is a top-tier choice for kids who want a big, impressive, action-packed centerpiece. It's durable, exciting, and endlessly replayable, making it one of the strongest additions you can make to a growing Hot Wheels City collection.